Senate Bill 467. Imagine this. Your house burns down in April. Even though the home is gone, your property taxes are still based on what is worth on January 1st. You're grieving, displaced, and now are expected to pay a full year of taxes on a house that no longer exists. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 467 says homeowners whose residence is completely destroyed by fire can get temporary property tax relief for the rest of that year. What it actually does? This means homeowners can reduce their tax bill after a fire, but local school districts and cities lose tax revenue when property values drop. The state then has to make up the difference through school funding formulas. It also means each county decides how the rule is applied because statewide oversight was removed. Who benefits? Homeowners who lose their homes to fire, real estate and property rights groups that support reducing property tax burdens, and property tax professionals who handle exemptions and appraisal work. Who pays the price? Local school districts that lose property tax revenue, the state education budget that must backfill those losses, and taxpayers statewide if exemptions add up over time. Why it matters. Helping families after a fire is the right thing to do, but when property tax revenue drops, that missing money does not disappear. It gets shifted into school finance system, which affects classrooms, teachers, and students across Texas. Over time, stacking exemptions like this can weaken local funding and push more costs onto the state. Questions to ask lawmakers. How will schools be protected if more property tax exemptions reduce local revenue year after year? Why was statewide oversight removed instead of strengthened to ensure fairness across counties? And would you support a review or reporting requirements so Texans can see long-term costs of this policy? Bottom line, Senate Bill 467 helps families after a fire, but quietly shifts the cost to schools and taxpayers unless stronger guardrails are added.